In this video, I'm going to show you how to do bleeds and crops in InDesign. So I have InDesign open here. I have it on print. I'm just going to change this so it's a little bit easier. Turn off facing pages for now. And then here, remember with InDesign, you have way more options. So you can think about margin space, which we'll just leave alone for now. Bleed and slug. So I will change this to 1/8 of an inch again, 1.25. So remember when you are in InDesign, you have different functions. And so I do have bleed marks, but I have them hidden for right now. So on a Mac, if I do Command semicolon, you can see everything. So the margin is quite wide because it's 1/2 inch, and then we did the 1/8 for around here. But if for whatever reason you have those commands off, like by hitting W or just doing Command semicolon again, you won't be able to see those, but they are there, and that's how you can find them. Fill in the space here, and I'm going to do, instead of File Save As, I can just go right to Export or Command E. Save it as you like, and then you have your options down here, and I'm going to do Print and push Save. Then these will look a lot like your Illustrator export for here too. And you have press quality here, you have different formats. Again, if you're unsure, I would either stay with press quality or high quality print, unless your printer specifies. And then compression here, the same, and then marks and bleeds. So I'm going to use my marks and bleeds, that shows that. And then if I want to, I'm actually going to put on all of these just so we can see what they look like here. And then I'm just going to push export. All right, so I chose everything for my registration. So we can see here, these are my crop marks, and here is the bleed, right? So this is my 1/8 inch bleed here. So these are the real crop marks I want to follow. And then they have crop marks for just cutting the end of the bleed as well. Here are my color bars, here are my registration marks, everything like that. So if there were multiple colors or overlays or anything like that, these registration marks would help with that. And here is any extra information I wanted to add, when I did this, everything, the whole shebang, which again, you might not really need, but it's good to know where all those things are. And that is how you can do bleeds, crop marks, everything like that in InDesign, which by far out of Illustrator and especially Photoshop is the easiest to do bleeds and crop marks within the program. Just remember that they could be hidden from you in the first place. So again, do Command semicolon on a Mac, and those should bring them right up.